Hey little scientists, are you ready for some exciting experiments you can try at home or in the classroom? Let's count down the top 5 science experiments for kids that are super fun, safe, and full of wow. Here's what you need: 1 empty plastic bottle, 1 balloon, some vinegar, some baking soda, and a funnel or a spoon. First, pour some vinegar into the bottle, sound about halfway full. This is going to be our bubbling potion. Now carefully fill the balloon with a few spoonfuls of baking soda. Don't shake it yet. Stretch the balloon over the bottle's mouth, just like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. Ready? Tip the balloon up and let the baking soda fall into the vinegar. Watch closely. Whoa, the balloon is blowing up all by itself. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they make a gas called carbon dioxide. That gas needs space, so it fills up the balloon, like magic, but it's science. Baking soda, that's our powdery mountain. Vinegar, the bubbly juice. A small cup or bowl, food coloring for lava magic. And dish soap for extra foamy fun. Step 1. Put a big spoon of baking soda in your cup. Step 2. Add a drop of dish soap. Step 3. Now add a few drops of red or orange food coloring. This makes it look like real lava. Now for the fun part, slowly pour in the vinegar. Whoa, look at it go! It's bubbling over like a real volcano. That's the power of a chemical reaction. When baking soda, a base, mixes with vinegar, an acid, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. That gas makes all the fizzy bubbles you see. Watch this, just baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring, and boom, rainbow fizz magic. Whoa, it's a rainbow fizz party. That's a chemical reaction in action. Try it at home and show us your fizz. Watch this! We mix iodine with hydrogen peroxide, and the color changes like magic. That's chemistry at work. Cool, right? Science is full of surprises. Whoa! Look at that giant foam! This is elephant toothpaste. Not for brushing, but perfect for science fun. Just add hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, and yeast. Science is awesome and super foamy. Wasn't that awesome? Which experiment are you going to try first? And remember, always have an adult around when needed and have fun learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science videos here on BrightMinds Kids.